If you want to make a Chatta board live with your class using photographs you've taken, and you've got a tablet, an iPad in your classroom, and are logged in to your Chatta account and have opened up the same chat in the same folder, so that the self-same Chatta board, you can add photos to the board in real time. I'm using my phone, not a tablet, to show you how to do this, and I'm logged in to my account, same folder, same chat, and the board on the screen is what the children are looking at. And I'm just, for example's sake, I'm just doing a little sequence of Nanook's busy day at school, and I'll take photographs, and I've got Chatta open on my phone and Chatta open on the board. So Nanook came to school, and first of all, he did some writing. He did. And after that, he read a book. I'll stand it up. Finally, he enjoyed a nice drink of water. So you'll see the images you can add to the board in real time. This could be a story you've made up in the class, or a small world adventure, or it could be the sequence of steps to make something art or technology, or a simple recount of a transition or a walk or a journey that you've been on. Really simple to do, but you will need a device with a camera that's logged in to Chatta. And if you'd like help with this, please get in touch and I'll be glad to show you.